Hello guys, in the last video we have seen what is the requirement of the main method parameter and why it should be string type and why it should be like which one here, array type. If you declare main method without string array parameter, then what will happen? All the points we understood. Now in this video we are going to see different syntaxes of which one, main method, valid syntaxes of main method. The question is which one? Find the valid syntaxes of main method from the following list. Now okay, I'll provide a list of syntaxes. Now from this list of syntaxes, here we have to identify which things are valid and which things are invalid. Right, so the very first one, public static void main string array args. Second one is public static void main string array a. Third one is public static void main string args array. Fourth one is public static void main string array args. Fifth one is public static void main string double array args. Sixth one is public static void main string args. And seventh one is public static void main string array args. So now here I want to provide yes small in this example. And eighth one is public static void main string array args. Ninth one is public static void abc of string array args. 10th one is public static int main string array args. 11th one is public static final void main string array args. 12th one is public void main string array args. 13 static public void main string array args. Then after that 14th one is, then after that static void main string array args. 15th one public static void main string args. So these are the different syntaxes here I provided. Out of all these syntaxes, and which things are valid and which things are invalid, now here we have to understand clearly. Now the very first one here we are observing clearly. If you observe the first syntax, now public static void main string array args, perfect, syntax is perfect. We are not having any problem with this particular syntax, so this is valid, no problem. Next one is, if you observe the second syntax, public static void main string array a, args is not provided, just we provided which one, a only I provided, args is not available, just I provided a. Yes, still it is valid, still it is valid. How can we say it is valid? Actually, in general, inside the main method we are able to see public static void main string array args we are going to provide. Args we are saying everywhere, args we are saying, but now a we provided, but still we are saying valid now. Why? Because args variable is user defined variable, our defined variable. Once it is our defined variable, we can use any name. Once it is our defined variable, we can use any name. It is not exactly args. We can use any name. Right. So that's why here we are able to provide which one, variable A. That's fine. It is valid. Next one, third one. Public static void main string args array. That square braces I provide along with variable. Remember this point here. In the case of Java, in two ways we are able to represent arrays. In two ways we are able to represent arrays. What are the two ways to represent these arrays? No. First one is we can provide that square braces along with the data type, or we can provide square braces along with the variable. We can provide these square braces after the variable and as well as before the variable. No problem. The square braces we can provide after the variable and before the variable also. Or else the square braces we can provide directly with which one, string data type directly. Now here what I am telling now. So this is valid. This syntax is valid directly. This is valid. Public static void main string args array. That is valid. Now in the next syntax here, if you observe there, public static void main string array args. Now here also what happened there? That square braces we provided before the args variable. Still it is valid. No problem. Still it is valid here. Next one after that. Public static void main string double array args. Two-dimensional array we provided as parameter to the method. Two-dimensional array here we provided. So this is which one, invalid. This is invalid. We can understand it. So observe this clearly. I want to show all these points here in our system now. First of all here I want to provide this is which one, string args. This is normal syntax only. Here we can understand this clearly. Java C space test.java, no compilation error here, and Java space test. Here we are getting some output. It's okay. Next one is which one, then after that. Now in place of this args, here I want to use only A. A only I want to use. No. Now let me compile it. Java C space test.java, compiled successfully. Now Java space test, output we are getting there. It's okay. Next one is which one, then after that args here I have taken there. I want to remove this one, that square braces here I want to provide here. So still we are not going to get any compilation error. Java C space test.java, no compilation error, and Java space test. Here we are getting output. Next one is which one now? These are square braces I want to provide. Which one they know? Before the variable now. Before the variable here I want to provide square braces. Java C space test.java, no compilation error. Java space test, output here we are getting there directly now. Next one is I want to provide which one there? Double quotation. That means double two-dimensional array here I provide as parameter the main. Now definitely here we are able to get which one? Some exception. Java C space test.java, no compilation error. Java space test. Here we are getting an exception. Error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. That we are providing directly. So in this scenario here what we are doing there, two-dimensional array is not possible. That's why it is invalid. Invalid case here we provided. It's okay, sir. Next one is which one? Public static void main string args without providing. If you observe this particular syntax, no, sixth one, without providing array, just only normal variable I provided now. Now this is exactly invalid. Definitely main method must require which one, string array parameter. So just it is a normal variable we provided. Now let us check this clearly. Java C space test.java, no compilation error. Java space test. Here we are getting an error message here. Error colon main method not found in a class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args that we provided now. Right, sir. Next one is which one, then after that. If you observe the seventh one, public static void main string array args. Here SS small here we provided, so it is invalid. Why it is invalid? No, string is a class name in Java. So it is a class name. If it is a class now, definitely S must be which one, uppercase letter. If it is a class name, then definitely S must be which one, uppercase letter. Try to recognize this. So S must be which one, uppercase now. But here we provided lowercase here, so it is violating our rule. So definitely here we are able to get compilation error. Now let us check this one. Now this S here I want to provide which one there? Small s. Now let me, not compilation error, I think so here we are able to get which one there? No, exception. Okay, fine. Error we are getting, right? Exactly. Error we are getting there. Why? Because cannot find the symbol. This is not string now. This is something else. What is this something else here? We don't know about it. So symbol class string. Cannot find the symbol class string, and the location is which one? Class tester. It is not possible here clearly. Okay, fine. Now this must be capital key that we have to provide. Next one is which one can know? Now public static void main string array args, but here M is capital key we provided. Definitely again here we are able to get which one can know, like invalid. This is invalid can know. Now let us check this. Now S is capital only, but M is also be capital in main method name. Now let me check this. Java C space tester.java. Are getting any error? Okay, no compilation error, but Java space tester error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. This value here we are getting there. So this is invalid. Next one is which one? There ninth syntax public static void ABC string array args. Again this is also be invalid. Why? Because name, at least the name of this method is which one? No, name of the method must be which one? There no, like main, but here we provided which one? ABC. It is not possible here. Next one is public static int main string array args. Int, the return type of the main method must be which one? Void. So this is which one? Invalid clearly. Let me check this here. Int is the return type here I am going to be provided. Now int type provide. If you specify this int now, definitely we must return some integer value. Return 10. Return 10 here we provided here. Let us execute this. Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Java space tester. Output here we are getting like which one? Error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. Here we are getting directly. Next one, after completion of this, public static final void main string array args. Yes, it is valid. Why? Because more than one access modifier is allowed by Java methods and as well as main method, but they must be in valid combination. Here static and final both are valid. Static and abstract is invalid, and final and abstract is also invalid now. But static and final both are valid here. So here we are not going to get any compilation error. Now let us check this clearly. I don't want to use the return type like which one here int now. Just I want to provide which one here void only. But along with that here I want to provide which one final variable also here we provided there. Now if I compile this, here we are not going to get any compilation error, and here we are getting some problem here. 1 minute wait. Yeah, string array we required there. String array we required. Okay sir. Now here we are not going to get any problem here. Now here still we are getting that problem here. M capital. Right sir. Java C space tester.java. No compilation error. Java space tester. Main method syntax here we are getting there. That's fine. So here final is allowed along with our main method, along with our static keyword key. Next one is which one? Then after that, after completion of this, another syntax is which one again? Just without static I provided, only public I provided here. Now what about this one? Definitely it is invalid here. It is definitely is which one? Invalid. We are going to check it directly. Now here without static now, just I provide only public and just only public. That's it. Public void main. Java C space tester.java. No compilation error. Java space tester. We are getting some error message. Error main method not static in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. Right sir. Now here this is which one? Invalid. Static public void main string array args. No problem. This is valid. So we need to check whether main method is declared with a static or not, whether main method is declared with a public or not. That only we have to check. In which order they provided, it is not required. Maybe public static we are able to provide, or maybe static public we are able to provide. That is totally depending on our requirement here. In any of the order here we are able to provide directly. Okay sir. Next one is which one? 14th one is which one here? Static void main string array args here we provided. Static void main string array args here we provided. What about this one? Definitely it is which one? Invalid. Why? Because public is mandatory. Public is mandatory. If you observe this, now here I want to provide static. Now here this static, now inside this, along with that here we are able to remove which one there? Public. Public we removed here. Now next one is which one there? I want to Java C space tester.java. That's it. Compiled successfully. Now here, when we execute this here, we are getting a message like main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args. Next one is which one? Then after that, 15th one, variable argument parameter here we provided. Main method is vararg method now. Variable argument parameter here we provided. Now this variable argument parameter is which one? String dot 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 args. That is equal to which one? String array only. String dot 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 args is equal to which one? They know string array only. So this is valid directly. This is valid now. So these are overall the syntactical differences about this main method. Nearly 15 different syntaxes I provided. Out of these 15, some of them are valid and some of them are which one? Invalid. So which syntaxes are valid and which syntaxes are invalid, that we understood clearly from this particular list. Right.